My name is Tett, and I'm the General Manager of Operations and Launch at ELA. ELA's mission is to be the world premier kind of commercial spaceport, helping launch companies take payloads into space to a variety of orbits. Uniquely positioned near the equator here in Australia with low populations, we provide a range of services that really help make it easy for clients around the world to bring their launch vehicles and launch from Australia. Equatorial launch is particularly useful for low inclination launches, so trajectories or orbits that are primarily around the equator. When you are close to the equator, the Earth spins faster at that point on the surface. When you launch something from the Earth as close as you can to the equator, you get that extra velocity, what is called delta V component to your launch, and that can save you both fuel and or give you greater efficiencies on lifting greater payload. In addition to the equatorial inclinations, ASC can also offer our clients, polar or sun-synchronous or mid-inclination orbits. Those ones tend to track over land, which is a little bit of a world's first, but early analysis has indicated those will be fine, and more detailed analysis will come for those when we get into those launch permit applications. As well as the strategic advantage of being close to the equator, ELA provides a number of services that really tries to break down the myths of getting to Australia is difficult. Things like logistics services, procurement of fuels that are critical for the launches, extra supplies and parts. We just handle all that for our clients, including the accommodation side of things, so that they really can fly in, do an effective launch with us, and then get out and save money. Some of the recent projects of great importance for us is to kind of transition from our successful launch campaign with NASA into the wider multi-user spaceport, catering for a variety of fuel types and sizes of vehicles. And to do that, we need to work closely with the Space Agency on our launch facility license. And as a team at ELA here, need to really think outside the box when we're tackling this project of the spaceport. It hasn't been done before, so we really have created a culture of, challenging misconceptions, ideas, the way things have been done. A lot of the industries across the States, they've been there for 40 years and they've done the thing before they've done because it's been safe. So we need to really think about, can we do it cheaper, faster, safer, more effective? And we really encourage the team to kind of really poke that question why and how we're going to do it and collaborate on those answers. Future expansion plans of ELA is really just to progress our business plan, which is to get to that high cadence multi-user spaceport where we've got 5 or 6 or 7 tenant launch companies all working in the space launch complex of their own on our site, managed by us, ELA, and doing 1 to 2 launches per week across the different clients, adding up to 50 launches per year. It'll take a few years to get to that, but we think it's a viable plan, and the interest is there from the international market.